guys, it's Jacob Lovick here, your Gorge Honda Guy. Wanted to take a minute to teach you how to use remote start on your vehicle. Now, if you have a fob that looks like this, you have remote start. That little circle button is going to be your remote start button. You don't need an extra app. You don't need to pay for it. If it has that button, you have it. Newer CRVs, HRVs have this new redesigned black key fob. Works just the same, just looks a little different. If you have a physical key, you probably don't have remote start. I'm sorry, it's available, but it doesn't have it equipped on this. 90% of the new Honda vehicles that are coming out do have it. So if you look at either of these, you've got it. Let's check out how it works. Now that we've established that you have the right key fob, you're gonna lock twice and then quickly press and hold that circle button. That's your remote start button. You're gonna see the yellow lights feedback. And I always look for the exhaust to start coming out if I'm a little ways from my car. And that's how you'll know the engine's on. Now that the car has started, you can open it up, take a seat. You'll notice that the driver interface screen is on, but the main display is off, and that's totally normal. With your foot on the brake, press and release the ignition button. It'll turn from white to red, and the main display will come on, and you're ready to go. And when it's a little bit colder like it is today, you'll see that the air conditioning is going, but the lights haven't turned on. Once you turn the car on, you'll actually see the heated seats light up and you see the defrost is on. Hey, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe my page. You'll find helpful Honda how-tos as well as complete walkarounds on new Honda models. This is Gorge Honda Guy from the Dalles, Oregon. Catch you next time.